Y'all check it out. Purple street lights. It's actually a pretty crazy story. It's due to a defect in the manufacturing process is what I read. It just started, you know, randomly happening like roughly 2 years ago, according to an article I read on the internet. And yeah, they're all purple. I first saw them when I was in Kissimmee. I was on this big ride, this motorcycle ride, and we were riding, and we get to this really nice road, and I see all of the lights purple, and I'm like, what in the hell is going on? Like, what is this for? Is this like some new kind of trend, or is it like, I had no idea. And I went a couple months without looking into it because I had never seen it again. And here in Daytona, I've seen a number of them, and it's funny, it's like on certain streets you'll see, you know, a lot, and then like I saw one on a random side street, but it's actually pretty cool. Kind of gives it a hippie type of vibe, you know. So in case you guys were wondering, yes, according to what I read on the internet, it's a defect in the manufacturing process. Well, I hope this video helped somebody. If it did, please consider subscribing, or, you know, leave a like or comment and let me know if the information that I found on the internet is true. Well, thank you and have a good one. Peace.